AWE TV Day 2. We are here with Alex, Chief Scientist of CN2, an enterprise solution augmented reality company. Alex, tell us a little bit about what you do.
So at CN2, we create enterprise augmented reality. We have two products that are part of our platform. We have a content authoring platform to distribute content to mobile devices and wearables. And we also have a remote assist product, which allows you to take content that you author there and insert it into remote assistance sessions.
So your customers are mainly industrial companies, big industrial companies?
Yes, we have several Fortune 5 companies that we're working with, and it's mostly in field service and in industrial maintenance.
Do you want to show us
Sure.
your services, your product, your platform?
Let me show you. So this is a software. This is the remote assistance software, and it's used in call centers, already established call centers. So I make a call if I'm a remote person in the field. I make a call into the center, and it shows up there on the call center screen. Once it connects, it can connect the video, okay? And at this point, I'm instructed to place a marker into the physical scene. This is not based on having an already established marker in the scene. So we look at the marker over here, and this establishes the tracking. And then at this point, the remote assistance person can see the video. Now, what we call the field service technician can pause the video and make some sort of marking. And then on the other side, what we call the subject matter expert can see that video. The subject matter expert can also pause the video themselves at another point, and the FST can continue on, and then they can create annotations here, and then they're placed in the scene for the FST. And so it's bi-directional.
And of course, works on any mobile device?
It does. It's
iOS, Android, any sign.
Android and iOS, and also on wearables. And the really interesting thing about this is that it's peer-to-peer video sharing. We leverage the WebRTC platform, which is supported by Google, and Chrome and Firefox support it without any configuration.
And your content creation tool, easy to use by the end user?
Yes, it's designed so that you don't have to have any technical experience to create content. So this is an example of some content here that we've brought in. Now, often content doesn't come in with materials on it, so we have a material selection. That's good timing. Oh wait, I'm sorry. We can select materials, and we can change material. So we'll change this to gold here, and then we can apply labels in the scene, and we can add events. In this case, we've said that when we click on this label, that the pump here should play an animation. So if I say play, and then I look around here, I click on play, and then the animation starts. So we can then publish this content
into the system, into the app.
We can publish it based on geospatial or time basis, and then during one of these sessions here, the remote assistance operator can take this pre-configured content and insert it into the scene, and they can adjust the position of it. So even if the marker that was placed here was not in the proper position, the remote person, while they have paused it, they can move that content and align it so that they can do things like highlighting different parts and playing pre-configured animations.
And you offer your services and your software like full package, or enterprise can just use your content creation platform or part of the tools?
Well, we have a base platform that includes the content management system and analytics. We have a special analytics system that we've developed in-house because we're doing some interesting things with tracking the position of users to analyze that. If you've ever heard of funnels in mobile analytics, some people go to success, some people go to failure. We're tracking that on how they move. So that's the base package, and then the Assist product is a separate product, and the Studio for content creation is a separate product. Because often we create the content for our clients, and we just use our platform to distribute and manage it.
You also, of course, offer statistics, right? So the enterprise can learn on the go what's happening with their team.
This is the analytics package where we can see what types of users, from what location, how often they are using the application. We don't have any statistics here today, but yes, that's exactly what our analytics system does.
And where do you see the trend of the industry, let's say the industrial enterprise augmented reality world? Where is it going to?
Well, I think
wearable.
I think without a doubt it's going towards wearables. But even something like this impressive system over here at ODG, you can only use it for relatively short periods of time. You can't wear it with a helmet very easily. So we're still a ways off. So there's plenty of room to use these commodity devices like iPads. But I think everyone recognizes that you've only got two hands. So we really need to eventually go to the wearables. And my company's really focused on the type of full augmented reality, as opposed to some of the companies they're putting instructions up in the corner. We're really focused on overlaying work instructions into the scene.
So CN2, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.